Here to talk about the distracted driving, seatbelt, and speed safety corridor that's out here on 90. The corridor was launched last summer. We need people to remember to put their seatbelts on, don't drive distracted, and slow down. What we want people to know is that when you enter this corridor, if you're speeding, you should expect to be stopped and you should expect to receive a ticket. We've got a few signs out there that talk about how long it's been since the last serious crash. That's being tracked by ODOT. For example, last summer we went 55 days without a serious crash in the corridor. We think that is a direct result of the hard work we're doing out here to slow people down, to remind people to wear their seatbelts, and to remind people to not drive distracted.
There's 12 distracted driving corridors throughout the state of Ohio. So we looked at deploying one up here in the greater Cleveland area. But when we looked at the actual data, it wasn't distracted driving related, it was speed related. The second thing was a lot of the serious crashes were folks that were not seat belted. We felt like instead of a distracted driving corridor, why don't we create the first speed and seatbelt related corridor? I think the goal is to reevaluate this after a 2-year period and determine if we should keep it in place or actually pick it up and move it to another location, maybe 480, some of the other areas that we have some high crash areas. ODOT actually had a crew hit just a week and a half ago on this corridor. Our employee did end up going to the hospital to be checked out. Luckily, she's doing okay. But that's some of the issues that are going on in this corridor. Is ODOT's not even immune to some of the things that are happening out here.